The first step is to let your hair air dry. I usually let it dry about 60 to 70%, and then I will use the Bumble & Bumble Invisible Oil. It's a primer and protective spray, and then just dry it like normal, and you want to dry it about 90%. I find it like a touch too dry, but it's okay. It will still work. So then you're gonna want to take your blow dry brush and just finish off all of your drying. So I'm gonna pull up a section of my hair, and I use the low setting because it can get very, very hot. So especially if you have fragile hair, definitely use a lower setting. Take it from the root, twist your way down, and then if you want to curve it in, you just twist this way towards your face, and you kind of hold it there for a minute. If you want it to be more straight, just pull it straight down. Here is the final product. You can do more with it. This is kind of just like a quick everyday one, but you can also do more styling. This one's good if you're trying to avoid heat damage, just a lighter version of a blowout to kind of still give you a better effect than maybe a normal hair dryer would.